welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how if there's power, how to check to see if there's power coming to your fuel injector on the KPX 250 here. So if we come over to this side, the injector's just down here. I'm going to have to get some needle nose there. I didn't grab any. I'm going to grab a flashlight so I get that wire down, and we're going to test it while we turn it on and see if we have power. So I'm just going to get my camera down. So we can look at it here. And I'm going to grab tools and I'll be right back. My camera's in a little better position. I got a flashlight. So this right here is your fuel injector power. So you'll see a little steel clip on it. So we're going to take that little clip off. Just send needle nose pliers. Just going to reach in there, shake that off. Come on, you. There we go. Then we're just going to slide the plug off. Easy peasy. I'm going to pull it down toward us. Now the power wire you're going to want to check is the red and white on this side. It should be, unless I read the wiring diagram wrong, but that should be your power. So we're going to put our light like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just using a regular multimeter right here. I'll flip that up inside there. And we're going to take my black probe, and the black probe you can put to any ground on the engine. Will work perfect. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave the black probe right there. And my power again is going to go into the left side of that pin to the red and white wire. So you're going to want to turn your multimeter to 20 volts. That's all it needs. I'm going to go up, I'm going to turn my key on, and then we're going to come down here. I'm going to test our injector and see what it does. So there we go. So I got my red probe. I'll go ahead and hold it in here with my fingers, and then I'll touch my black to the ground, and right away you see 12 volts going to the injector on my display, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So now I'm going to turn my key off like that. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put the injector wire back on. So it's the exact same way we took it off. So there's nothing wrong with this injector power supply. So if there's still a problem with the injector, most likely it's the injector itself. So the injector on this is good, power is good, and I'm going to go ahead and put this clip back on. And then once I get my clip back on, that's it. So, and this clip just slides on. It's very hard to see because I don't have any light over there. There we go. There, it's clipped back into place. So it's supposed to be. That injector's on there good. The injector wire's on there good. And that's it, guys. So that is how you check your power supply going to the injector. Now we're gonna go up to the bike. Let's fire it up. And fires up fine. And that's it, guys. So that is how you check. I'm gonna put my wire back to where it was so I don't burn it on the engine. So that is how you check the power supply to your fuel injector. And that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.